agreed that you're doing something that is illegal. Working without a wage visa, that is not allowed in South Africa. Where are the other people?
And Dile, this is the lady that's somewhere at the back. I'll call her just now.
And the other one on the second.
There's two. Alpheus is not here. I think the gentleman said he walked away.
Okay. So we are waiting for this one.
Yeah.
I want to ask them so that I say the same thing to all of them. So you're doing something that is prohibited. What's that? Is that a visa with visa? You applied for a waiver that can be rejected, right? And a waiver is not a visa. You're just waiving conditions. So you are working without a waiver visa. You also have something written. You do not have any waiver visa.
Inside the fence, next side the police vehicle.
Do you have
What well? Actually, it's the same thing. I'm a pig. Ay, batlay. Ba fa tu beke ka ma kri kai. Ye byan. Ar mu be. Beke kita mo ma fe. Ya ma beke. Is it your bag? Yeah, how? Apa go nyawe ni ta. Phone. Arvai. Okay, now we'll remain here. Now we'll remain here. I can suspect.